That song is such a bop. Like, that's my favorite song right now. What's up, guys? So I'm here to do another squishy giveaway sponsored by Banggood. My love, you know what it is. They're everything. I love them so much, and I know you guys do too. I will be giving away over $150 worth of squishies. Crazy, right? I know. So how to enter: you must like this video, be a subscriber if you aren't already, follow me on Instagram, and then the most important step to enter this giveaway is that I'll be putting some links down below in the description box that will lead you to the Banggood website. All you have to do is click on it, let the page load, and then you can exit out. The reason why I asked you guys to click on the link is because the link is kind of like connected to me in some way. I don't know anything about it, to be honest, but all I know is that if a lot of people click on the link, Banggood can see that, and then they'll be like, oh my gosh, a lot of people are entering her giveaway, let's give her more giveaways in the future. And it's just kind of like, yeah. Once you're done with all of those steps, comment down below, enter me, the country that you're from, your Instagram name, because I will be contacting the winner through Instagram, and I will also be posting the giveaway winners on my Instagram story, so make sure you follow me on there. This giveaway will end on February 1st, and then I will post the winners on my Instagram on February 2nd, so make sure you keep an eye out for that. By the way, I won't be squishing the squishies I'm going to give away because I want them to be as brand new as possible. I don't want them to get all wrinkled and like defected. Like, I want them to be fresh and clean. But if you do want to see how squishy these squishies are, I will put the link down below to my previous squishy video. Oh my gosh, I just said squishy so many times, but I will link that video down below because I also received the same squishies, just in case you're curious. Now, enough with the talking, let's go on with the prizes. There will be 2 winners, so each winner will receive the same squishy. You will each receive this super cute crown squishy. This is honestly one of my favorite squishies. They're so cute, so soft, and so slow rising, like I cannot. You'll both receive this super cute bear cake. It is so adorable. I live for this squishy. Also, one of my favorites, this is a jumbo cat holding a watermelon. The packaging is kind of like messed up because it's so big, but trust me, I did not touch this yet. It's just so big. Through shipment, it probably like got out of the packaging, but they're still brand new, and I love these squishies so much. You'll each receive this kind of like snow cone shaved ice cream squishy. I have no idea, but it's so cute. I love this one so much as well. Also, one of my favorites, you will each receive this little twin stars on like a unicorn squishy. It is so cute. I love little twin stars so much. And each winner will receive a full set of these like Tsum squishies. I think I'm pronouncing that right. I don't know, you guys butchered me in my last video, but you'll receive these. These are so cute. I love how you can stack them. Here is the gray one. Here is the white one with like an orange spot. This one is so adorable. The pink one with stripes. The yellow one with stripes. This one looks like a Twinkie to me. And then this style. So those are all of the prizes in this giveaway. I hope you guys enjoy these squishies as much as I do. I absolutely love everything, and I know you guys will too. Again, don't forget to click down below in the description box and look at all of the rules and how to enter, just in case you guys don't miss anything. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys!